church members are realizing that it's very easy to maintain their own church parking lot and save thousands. Hiring a contractor can be very costly, and you have to work around the contractor's schedule. When church members come together and do their own asphalt maintenance services, they're able to come together as a team, unify, and protect the church investment. Cleaning the asphalt is the first step in asphalt maintenance. Simply take a blower and blow off the surface from any dirt and debris. Then use a crack cleaning machine to clean out all the cracks from dirt, debris, and vegetation, prepping it for crack filling. You'll then use a melter applicator to apply hot pour crack filler in liquid form. It will apply into the crack, creating a watertight seal, preventing any erosion to the foundation, creating potholes or depressions. You'll then seal coat the parking lot surface, creating a nice matte black unified color that increases the aesthetic value of the church property. You'll then go ahead and use a simple to use line striper. You can paint your lines in yellow, white, or whatever color you desire. It's very easy to do. We have all the equipment and supplies to do these projects yourself. Simply call us at 866-399-5562 or visit www.asphaltkingdom.com.